try to be intentional with the things I buy. Each item in this video serves a purpose. You should know that if all these items were gone tomorrow, I would be just fine. This video is sponsored by none other than, you guessed it, me. Yeah, I'm not making any money, but the best way you can support this channel is by subscribing, of course, or leaving a nice comment, and that's good enough for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, go make something.